Hello everybody, my name's Terry Marsden, and today I'm going to show you around the new Arturia Polybrute. And what I'm going to show you today is how I do a little bit of sound designing on it and some of the favourite features that I use. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I think I might just have a quick play around and just show you how diverse the sound can be when you play around with the Polybrute. So let's have a little dig in. Just to let you know that I'm not a keyboard player. I'm a technical guy. So I apologise for my keyboard playing, but I'll try and play some sounds that do not require me to play too many chords, okay? So here we have a simple pad sound, and there's a couple ways you can, off the cuff, come up with brand new sounds straight out the box. And one of the favourite features that's built into the new Polybrute is the pick B. And to get to the pick B, we need to press the morph button. And once you're in the morph button, you'll see in the menu that you've got pick B, which is number 4. And so what pick B is that you can pick any B from any other preset in the Polybrute that you have, whether you've your own presets or the factory presets, and from that you can create whole new sounds and presets basically. So we'll have a little dig in and see what we can find. I've not rehearsed this, so it may all go wrong, as sound designing can do. So let's just see what we find. Okay. So this is the current B on this pad. So I'll press B, let's see what we get. So now we can pick any B from any other preset in the whole preset matrix. So we'll go here to number 3 and we'll just go through, see what we can find, and then we'll see what happens when we morph it with the A. Let's try a few more. Let's have a look. So I quite like that one. I'm going to just quite quickly change this. So if I go back to morph, sorry, sorry, what am I doing? Here we go. Sorry, I was pressing too many things. So if you can see on here, you have in number 8 you have swap A and B. So if I press 8, I will now swap the A and B around. So now where the pick B I used now is on A, which leaves me open to just literally pick another B. So let's go. So from this, I could probably find a bass sound. Well, there's quite a deep bass. Let's try and mix that in. So you get the idea, you can do quite a lot. I think what I might do is just change the presets. One of the little clever things you can do with the preset is if you hold preset down and turn the knob, you can get the types. So you can find your keys, your organs within that matrix that I've got set up here. So if I go to 2, it's showing me that where all the organs are. There's none in there. So there's some pads, percussion, sequence. Let's go to sequence. Let's try a few of these. And then from that we go back to morph and pick B, move it over to B. Let's see what we got. Oh, right, okay. So then we're going to go pick B. Sorry, let go of that. Pick B. Let's just try and find some. Right, let's try that. Let's put the hold on and hands free then. Just trying out some of the effects. back to pick B. So when you do pick B, the sequencer at the moment stops. I think they're going to try and fix that in a future update, but it carries on. Ooh, kind of techno sound. Do some more pick B in, see what we get. A few more. Cool. So as you can see, it just can take you on a voyage somewhere. To the unknown. Try something else. Let's turn the ARP off. It's preset. Okay, let's try this one with a pick B. So you get the idea. Just want to quickly show you what the pick B does. It's very, very versatile. You can also move it over to the A if you don't want it on the B. If you like the B, so you can move it around, then start again with the B side of the preset. Then just save it into one of your empty slots and name it, and the preset is yours. So thank you for watching. As I say, I just made it on the cuff just to quickly show you the pick B. Might do something else if you want me to do it. Let me know in the comments. Do the subscribe bit if you wish. I'll try and make some more if you wish. On the back of that, just to let you know that I've had this unit about a year now, so I've spent a lot of time with it testing. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.